Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I will be installing a set of StompGrip grip pads. I will be installing these on my 2007 GSX-R 1000 Super Street Bike. I had originally installed these in 2007, right after I bought the motorcycle, so they lasted almost 17 years. The purpose of these grip pads is you put them on the tank, and when you're coming to a quick stop, you can squeeze your knees against the tank. It'll keep you from flying forward, or when you also take off really fast, you can grip the tank. It'll keep you from moving back on the seat. Now I'm 5'9" and a half, 168, 170 pounds, so I'm not very heavy. And I don't stick to the seat, so if I come to a stop quick, I'll slide forward. If I take off too fast, I'll slide backwards. And these grip pads will also help with the maneuverability of the bike, so you can grip the tank really hard, and it'll kind of help you throw the bike around. So to install these correctly, you need a microfiber towel and some alcohol. You're going to clean the area really well. You're going to want to maybe leave the bike out in the sun for a little while to get the metal heated up and to get these semi-soft. Now, to put these on correctly, you don't want to stretch them to get them on there. You want to put them on with an even amount of pressure and just push them down and try to get out the air bubbles as much as you can without overstretching the product, because over time it will shrink and then it will become dislodged from the motorcycle. Now, mine never did that because I installed the first set perfectly. So let's go ahead and get this installation underway, but first I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the package and show you what exactly you get. So you get the two pieces for the tank. Let me see if I can... No, that's the wrong side. There we go. I forgot. So that's how the left one goes. The right one goes exactly opposite. So let's go ahead and get... I already kind of pre-prepped it, so I'm going to go ahead and do it again real quick. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to peel off the backing. Let me go ahead and check to make sure. All right, that's the correct side right there. I'm going to go ahead and peel off the backing. I'm not going to peel it off all the way. And what you're going to do is get it lined up the best that you can. And I think that looks about right. And you're just gonna slowly pat it down. And like I said, don't stretch it. And that's it. And just try to push out the air bubbles around the edges. They will disappear over time, so don't worry about it. And they also come with a new piece that goes down here. Let's see. I'll go ahead and put this in too. Let me get some more alcohol. And it's the same with this little black piece. I I was going to leave the original one on, but I noticed that it was flat black. This one's more shiny. And that's all you do. All right, just go around a little bit and just keep pushing the air bubbles out. All right, so that's it for this side. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my closing spiel. And now for the small black trim piece for the right side. And just go back around it again and push any bubbles out. Now the glue that is used for this is just a really strong gel type adhesive, but it's not a permanent adhesive. So let's just say for some reason you need to take this off 5 years, 10 years, as in my case 17 years later. It'll come right off. There might be a little bit of residual glue. All you have to do is just get some alcohol and it'll come right off. And there is no, it's not like if you had used 3M adhesive where it's going to be stuck on there and you're going to have to use a rubber eraser wheel on a drill to get it off. It just comes right off. So it's made to be replaced whenever it gets damaged without any permanent damage to the paint or the finish or whatever your bike is made out of. Now these ones that are on top, these are carbon fiber. These are made with like a permanent adhesive tape, so it is on there for a very long time. I have a carbon fiber accent piece here, 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 over here, and right here. And this is real carbon fiber, not imitation carbon fiber. These have been on here also for like 17 years, well, almost 17 years, and they haven't come off at all. That's it. Now on to my closing spiel. All right, well, that's it for the video. That's the installation of the StompGrip grip pads on my 2007 GSX-R 1000 Super Street Bike. If you like this video, tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, and the bell icon, and you get notifications as new videos come out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and drive safe. Oh, I'll give you a little demonstration real quick. All right, so let's just say that I'm going down the road really fast. I can take my knees and just plant them right there. It'll keep me from sliding forward, sliding backwards. If you do have shorts on, they do kind of pinch a little bit, but if you have pants on, it works great. Well, hopefully you have pants on. Yeah, that feels good. I like it. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And see you next video, and ride safe.